What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching and thank you for dropping by. And this is the day that this is the new normal, going to the Nike factory store. As you can see, a long line, and hey, looks like we got some good ones, and hoping we could find something good also. These prices on the jacket are same last time we saw this one, so they are trying to get rid of it, but we have 20% off, so hope we could find something really good today. These Element React are almost just the same before the lockdown. Same prices, $79.99 with the 20s. And how about these Air Maxes? It's almost just the hey, let's go to the Jordan aisle. And this one, 79 and 119, and this Bizike with some kind of violet, and this patent leather of $79.99, and the shutter backboard, same price as before the lockdown. And how about the Nike Epic React Element Planet 2? Oh, come on, 84. Same prices, another 84. Come on, Nike. Why you're doing this to us? 94 with a 20 and another 94 with a 20. These running shoes are just the same before the lockdown. And how about this one? Hey, $39.99. What do you think? With the 20? Well, another 39. Looks like we're getting some more. Another 49 Kentucky colorway. What do you think with the 20? These ugly shoes on the basketball shoes are no way. These are ugly, and the price is still high. And this one, Nike Shock. Hey, this one is worn by one of the popular basketball player. I can't remember his name, but they are $79.99. This one will go down. It's still high, and the same price before the lockdown. So we got Horashi, another ugly sneaker, $59.99 with the 20. No way, sir, no way. What do you think though? Can you please leave a thumbs up if you like it? So how about we'll take a look for another basketball shoes. Now we are talking. So we got $109.99 with a 20% for this Kyrie. Wow, yes, this is nice basketball shoes, very comfortable also, looks like. And I got me a pair of this one, but that one is some kind of Nike ID. So let's check out also the clearance wall or the hash wall. So we have here a 20%. Okay, so looks like we got something here. We got the Air Jordan Retro 8 SE, and this one, I bought this one also online. It's much more cheaper, $139 with the 20, and this Nike factory store still high. Got me a better deal last time. So next one, Jordan Pro Max, $720, and the price $79.99. Ooh, nice price with these bullet some kind. What do you think on that one? Hey, this one had just the same in the other outlet, somewhat same price, and the sizes is much better though. And how about this one? What do you think? $72.97 with this up tempo white, black and blue pass. How about another React? This one is much better colorway. It's kind of neutral colorway for me. I like that. The price, I might gonna pass on it for now. How about a good running shoes? This one is a new running shoes last year or a couple months ago, but price is really good also, and it's like good running shoes, really performing like a zoom with some zoom. There you go, zoom. Yeah, how about that? What do you think? Can you please leave a thumb? So this is the time that I'm telling you that you have to treat the employee in the Nike factory store. This one is a really nice basketball shoes from LeBron, and it was ringing up somewhere 200, and I got this one for less than 100, and my plug gave it to me. So how about this Nike running shoes? Wow, that's more comfortable. The Air Zoom with that price. And checking out also on this one, I already told you it's much almost just the same with the other store, or the Nike factory store and the other outlet. So picking these two. And how about this Air Max 270 React, and the price is not bad with additional 20%. Checking this out too. Take them home with that price. How about this Metcon, some kind of green stucco colorway, not bad also. Taking this one also for resale. So how about, what do you think for now? Let's go check out the kids before we go to the women's. And we got the Nike Air Max Plus. This one is some kind of sunset colorway, $89.99 with additional 20% off. This is not bad for kids colorway, and probably it's gonna be good ones for women's also. And Air Max 95 GS is up, and this one comes with a different, some kind of design, as you can see right there. $69.99 with the additional 20. What do you think? Still here on the hash wall or the clearance wall, with the 20. What do you think? So let's check out this one. We got some Jordan patent leather Rebel. That price, wow. That shiny, wow. Ooh, we got some gem. Wow, this is the Nike Air Zoom Super Rev, $54.97 with additional 20%. I can't believe this. This one is really good. Resale. Wow, this one is so hype for now. No one knows about it, but hey, I'm telling you, this is really good, and it is pricey, and sell it at a really high price. And if you are in women's section, check out the bigger sizes, just like this one, size 12 women's Nike Air Vomero 14, and the price, so size 12 can be converted to size 10 and a half. So wow, another gem, Vapor Max. Wow, we got another gem here. This is really nice. We got this Vapor Max, really good, and this one is brand new, that they return Nike Air Vapor Max 360, $99.97. Wow, with additional 20%. We got the jackpot. Another one. Hey, Air Force One triple white. So don't sleep on your women's section. Hey, see, found something. And price retail $90, but they had the additional 20%. So another triple white. Hey, look at this Air Max 97 triple white. The size 10 and a half for women. Hey, $79.97 with additional 20%. I'll take. So how about we got the Nike Joyride slide. Alrighty, like this one, $19.97 with additional 20%. Hey, we got some good slides here. Alright, so let's pay this sneaker that we got. Let's take him home. I'm so happy that I got this one. So we got full house in the car, so check that out. How about that one? Hey, full in the back of my car. A few here in the back, also on the back seat. Alright, that is what we got on the second Nike factory store. So not much, but I believe I got more profit on this one. So let's take them out on the plastic bag. So looks like we're gonna have more profit on this second Nike factory store that we went, and not much that we picked up, but individually more profit than the more bulk that I bought. As you can see right here, some the Lebrons, also the Air Force One. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, can you please leave a thumbs up and also leave a comment down below, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. And with that being said, Nolasco here, and hope I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you. Bye bye. Peace.